Hi guys, so today we are going to be exploring the Owu waterfall, the highest and one of the most spectacular natural waterfalls in West Africa. The Owu fall is located in Owakajola in Ifelodun local government area of Kwara State, Nigeria. Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing this face, please don't make it till last. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. So now we are going to waterfall. See my people at the back. Alright, so let's go. I organized this trip for couples in Ilorin. If you are planning to go to Owu waterfall, don't just go alone. Go with a group of 3 to 4 people so you can enjoy the place and have fun. I got snacks and water for everyone before leaving Ilorin, because once you get to the village, you're not going to get anything. So I would advise you to go along with food. If you are going, go with snacks, go with water. It's very, very important. Go with water. So we had to stop at Owa Onire community to meet with the tour guide, and we were asked to pay 500 naira each because we came as a group. People should wait now. What's your problem? We had to stop here because the road was very, very bad and the bus could not move past here. So guys, we are almost there. Let's go. So we have to trek because the road is very, very bad. The bus took us to a place closer to the waterfall. So we have to trek, I think, close to 4 kilometers now. Yeah. Okay. This road is very, very bad. Just come prepared if you are coming. tired. It's not easy. They are coming, just come prepared. That's what I can say for now. Just come prepared. Still have 2 kilometers ahead. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. This is not easy. Please, let's rest, I beg. Please.
It's stressful, guys.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Baba, give me one water.
Please, oh, let's cooperate, I beg. Let's rest. This is not easy.
Move up.
Where are those people going now? +1.
Hey, wait now.
+1.
Wait.
Please, I beg. Let's wait. Let's rest. Hey, oh God. Yes, so everywhere is now cold now. See breeze.
Wow! People have gone.
So we are at Owu Falls already. Owu waterfall. Wow. Where is the way safe? That place is going. They are there already now. We are
Finally!
here.
We are here! Finally! Woo! We
I came here to change. Stand beside this beach. Stand beside this beach to change. Owu waterfall is said to be the highest waterfall in West Africa, measuring 120 meters above the water level and gushes 330 feet down a cliff. The waterfall is surrounded with a beautiful natural ambience and hills that make sightseeing a memorable experience. The existence of Owu Falls is untraceable. The Owu Falls is sometimes referred to as wonder in the wilderness, as it is one of the highest and fascinating waterfalls to watch in West Africa. A myth regarding the waterfall is that it responds to voices when Owu is screamed. The louder you yell, the greater the intensity of the water, and the outpour becomes more. The rocks were so slippery, so you have to be careful while climbing the rocks. They were so slippery. I fell, but I didn't sustain any injury. Bye bye. Ooh. Everybody say hi. Everybody. So guys, we are leaving here already. If you watch this video till this point, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. God bless.